Hello and welcome back to TassieMTB. Today I'm going to be doing the 2026 bike check. Now first off we have my 2024 Specialized or Copper Sport. This bike has 29-inch wheels with a medium-sized frame. I have Tektro 180mm front brake and a Tektro 160mm rear brake. I have fitted a quad lock to this bike for phone mounting, and I have the stock pedals and stock grips on it. I do plan on changing those though, sometime very soon in the future. This bike comes with a SR Suntour XCM 32 front fork, which is, it's meh. It does the job though. This bike comes in at 950 Australian dollars. Next up, we have my BMX. Now we have my BMX bike. Now before we get into this, I've got a couple things I forgot to say about my mountain bike. First up is the derailleur. I use a Shimano Q's derailleur. Next up are the tyres. I use Fast Track Sport tyres. That's just stock. Alright, now I have my BMX. So this is a Fluid Park Pro BMX. I haven't done much to this. I've taken off the chain guard. I've put on the stunt pegs. I still haven't taken off the reflectors though, so I'm pretty silly for that. I've made a homemade street tyre, as you can see here. This is incredible. And I've taken off the front brake. Did I say that? Probably. But this bike, brand new, not on sale, comes in about $600 from Anaconda. Alright, let's go next bike. Next up, we have Oliver's 2022 Nuke-Proof Scout 26. This bike comes with a X-Fusion front fork with Maxxis tyres and decent grips. I don't know what they are. This bike comes in, I think it's around 2,500 Australian dollars. Now we have Maxxis Mongoose Legion L100. Not sure of the year of this bike, but it's a bit older than the other ones. All he has done is remove the rear brake and change the seat height on it. It's a pretty good bike, and yeah. Next up is my 2021 Honda CRF 125F. This is a pit bike from Honda with a clutch, which is 125cc. It makes around 10 horsepower, and it has only had like one thing done to it, and that's a new rear tyre. This bike, new, is around 3,500 Australian dollars. This brings the total price of the TassieMTB bike collection up to $7,398. In this video, we showcased every bike in the collection. See ya!